Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck and download this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info, from this developer. Then open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your OPPO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, and even camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!